This protection, this flower can be used as needed, while sitting or standing before any flame or fire. Look into the flame, visualize the fire bathing you with glowing, protective light. The fire creates a feeling, shimmering sphere around you. Craft a spell in the fire, fire. Craft it well, weave it higher, higher. Weave it now of shining flame. None shall come to hurt or maim. None shall pass this fiery wall, wall. None shall pass, no, none at all, wall. Craft the spell in the fire. Craft it well, weave it high. Weave it now, shining flame. None shall come to hurt or maim. None shall pass this fiery wall. None shall pass, none at all. Craft the spell in the fire. Craft it well, weave it high. Weave it now, shining flame. None shall come to hurt or maim. None shall pass this fire wall. None shall pass, no wall. None shall pass, no wall. Craft a spell in the fire. Craft a spell in the fire.